since this is 100 FTs, nag-reflect kami sa history ng College of Allied Health Sciences. So lahat po ng preparations namin is doon nakafocus. So nahirapan kami sa pagbuo ng schedule for our practices since ang KAHAS is most of our programs or yung schedule namin is full week yung classes namin. So medyo nahirapan kami. So yun nga, yung team ng sayaw namin is nakafocus po talaga sa history ng College of Allied Health Sciences. So our message for our audience and to our participants, I would like to say good luck to all the performing colleges, and also the College of Allied Health Sciences wants to showcase our talents, and also the KAHAS excellence, ang KAHAS Saysayan, Sulo ng Siglo.